In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a YouTube video in Canva. So the first thing that you need to do is log into your Canva account. And once you're logged in, you will either end up on the home dashboard or in the templates dashboard. Regardless of where you are, you want to navigate over to the left-hand column of navigation options and click on projects. Once you've clicked on projects, you will be able to see all of the projects that you're currently working on. Now, locate the specific project that you would like to add the YouTube video in and click on it. And when you do that, Canva's design editor window will open in a new tab. Now, once you are inside the design editor, look over to the left-hand column of options here and click on the second one, which should be elements. Now, when you click on elements, you need to, click on apps. Now, when you click on apps, you need to click into the search Canva apps field and type in YouTube embed. Now, when you do that, there will be a variety of apps that appear. You want to click on the first one called YouTube embed. And once it opens, click into the search field and search the title of the video from YouTube. So let's say Shopify, just as an example. Now, when you type in Shopify, all the different available Shopify videos will appear. All you need to do is simply click the video that you want to add and drag it onto your project. Once the video is added, you will be able to click on the corners of the purple outline to resize it. You can click and drag to change its position. You can also duplicate it in the toolbar that appears above the video, and you can also change the URL if you'd like to add a different video by clicking the pen icon in the toolbar, and you can decide whether it's an embed or a link, but an embed is probably the best option just for visual aesthetic reasons. So that is how you add a YouTube video in Canva. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if at any point you have issues or you find yourself stuck or have any questions at all, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below and I'll respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.